is a burper.
Oh, kids, don't. You're upsetting Leo.
That's going to be a big challenge.
Every year there's a few more regulations.
Yeah, somehow we're going to have to farm this land.
Lunchtime.
Challenges ahead with equipment like
All yours, Leo.
20% less emissions while increasing the power to get the job done. Will you be ready?
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for east central Berry County in southwest Michigan, northwestern Eaton County in south central Michigan, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 6 miles southwest of Nashville and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Surrounding these locations, Grand Ledge, Nashville, Caramo, Mulligan, Montville, Sunfield, Morgan, Assyria, Toyville, Little Venice, Needmore, Gresham, Quimby, Maple Grove. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects.
Everyone else is hungry too. Ooh, Leo's got a bubbling belly again. Let it out, Leo, or you'll get a bellyache.